Ibigay doon sa capital of the Philippines.
Manila.
Thailand.
Bangkok.
Taiwan.
Taipei.
Japan.
Tokyo.
Germany.
Delhi.
UK.
London.
Italy.
Hong
Ayos ka. Sa capital of Hong Kong.
Kong.
No. What's the capital of Indonesia?
Jakarta.
Sa capital of China.
Beijing.
Lakas. What's the capital of Qatar?
Doha.
Sa capital of France.
Paris.
What's the capital of Spain?
Dadet.
Spain.
Dadet.
Sa capital of Canada.
Ottawa.
Very good.
Very good.
This one naman. Tell me what shape is this, ha? Shape. Triangle. Lakas. Very good. This one, what color is this? Identify the colors, be. Lakas.
Black, red, yellow, blue, purple, white, brown, orange, pink.
Very good. This one, you read. Very good. O, numbers.
0, 9, 4, 3, 9, 1, 8, 2, and then 5.
Next. 0.
0, 9, and then 8, 4, 0, 1, 5, 8, 2.
This one. Finish na? This one, oh, last na, dali. Last na, this one. Very good. What's your name? How old are you?
2.
Oh, hi, Papa. Hi, Papa. Papa Darrell? Thanks, Papa Darrell. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.